Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Windows PowerShell to check if your Boomi shared web server is working, whether you're testing a new deployment or just making sure your endpoint is reachable. I'll walk you through the steps to verify everything's set up correctly. My name is Eberechi. Let's get started.
The invoke web request command on Windows PowerShell is an easy way to quickly confirm that your shared web server is working. So what you need to do is simply to copy this command and paste into PowerShell. In this example, we are using localhost on port 9090 as the base URL. You want to replace that with your actual base URL, which you can find under Manage, Runtime Management, your runtime, shared web server. And then I'll be copying my base URL here. Next, I'll edit this command to include my base URL. And copy the entire command to paste into PowerShell. Then press enter. If the response shows a status code of 200 like mine, that means your shared web server is active and ready to handle requests. And that's it. It's a fast and reliable way to confirm that everything's working. I hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.